Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So let's face it, there hasn't been much advancement in smartphone design. Still, it's a rectangular slab of glass. So foldable devices may be the way of the future. A new wave of foldable has started. This month alone, a total of 4 foldables were launched. Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Fold 4, Moto Razr 2022 Flip phone, and the slimmest one from Xiaomi, Mix Fold 2. Soon enough, Honor is going to join in with the Honor Magic V2. As years progressed, we observed significant advancement in foldable technology, like the crease is getting less visible, hinge is getting stronger, battery as well as display are getting bigger, and lots more. Something similar is gonna happen with Magic V2 Fold. According to the digital chat station, the next foldable from Honor will use a dual cell battery, which is typical for foldables. But the capacity is where things get interesting. The two batteries are 2030 and 2870 mAh. Therefore, the combined capacity of the V2 works out at 4900 mAh. Although Honor might advertise it as the world's first mobile foldable with 5000 mAh battery. In comparison, foldable flagship released this year are Xiaomi Mix Fold 2 with 4500 mAh, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with 4400, Huawei Mate X2 with 4880 mAh, by far the closest battery capacity to 5000, and Vivo X Fold with 4600 mAh. So finally, bigger battery in foldable is possible, but at what cost remains a mystery at the moment. According to another report, Honor's new foldable flagship will be equipped with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and will come with many upgrades to the display. Well, that is all we know, but the hinge mechanism is what we really want to know. The Magic V's hinge is eerily similar to that of Z Fold 3's, but mechanics of the hinge simply aren't refined enough. Maybe they could use something similar to Oppo's water drop hinge design, which solves some of the biggest issues in foldable devices. By widening the angle of the fold in the display and offering a buffer when the display folds, resulting in a minimal crease that is up to 80% less noticeable compared with other devices. Something like that would be great. And since the previous Honor Magic V released at the beginning of the year, I think it will share a lot of essential design characteristics and specs with V2. I will keep you updated on this topic. With that said, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.